To solve these puzzles, you will need a box of matches, many years ago, when matches were used in daily life, the manufacturers used to put puzzles on the outside of the box and offered challenges to people to solve them. They became very popular all over the world, and people used to collect the boxes to get a complete collection. There were hundreds of boxes to a set. Today, matches are not used very much, but the puzzles are still very popular. Books of these puzzles are available if you're interested. They do become a bit addictive. It is a challenge to your lateral thinking to find a solution. You have been supplied with sheets of puzzles graded to the level of difficulty. There are 4 easy puzzles, 4 medium puzzles, 4 hard puzzles, and 1 extremely difficult puzzle. Have a go starting with the easy ones so that you get an idea of how to solve each type of puzzle. The solutions to all the puzzles can be downloaded in 2 weeks. Follow the instructions carefully, which are given just before the puzzle photo. To get you on the path of solving these problems, we'll go through a sample. Look at your sheets supplied and look at the sample puzzle description on page 2. Read carefully the instructions of what you have to do. The instructions are to take away 6 matches to create 2 squares. The squares must not be equal in size. Can we find a solution? Take some matches out of the box and arrange them in the pattern as shown. There are 6 squares, so let's take away 2 matches from the left-hand corner. There are now 5 squares left, but you have to reduce this to 2 squares. Take away another 2 matches, this time from the middle of the large shape. The result is 1 square and 2 rectangles. Total number of matches removed is now 4, but our final goal is 2 squares of different sizes. To change the rectangle into a square, remove another 2 matches, common between the 2 rectangles. We are now left with 2 squares of different sizes and have removed 6 matches. The problem is solved. We have met all the criteria defined by the puzzle. Start with the easy ones first and then attempt the others as your experience increases.